Good afternoon. My name's Tony. I want to talk about a recent trade we just took in here at Essex and Elizabethtown. This is an L45 Kubota, 45 horsepower diesel tractor loader backhoe. Factory tractor loader backhoe as well. Subframe mounted backhoe, not 3-point hitch, so it was made from the factory with this backhoe in mind. Hydrostatic transmission, 45 horsepower Kubota diesel, backhoe with a trenching bucket, quick coupler on the trenching bucket. This particular backhoe will dig 10 feet digging depth, maximum. Front end loader with a general purpose bucket, skid loader quick attach for easy on and off of different attachments. A bucket's not the only thing you can put on the front of this. You can certainly put other attachments on here that would accept a skid loader quick attach. R4 tractor tires, both all within about 80%. This machine only has about 133 hours on it, so it's been through very little use. The customer short traded because he simply needed an excavator as opposed to a tractor loader backhoe for the way his business has grown in the last year. Good customer of ours, very well maintained trade. Don't have to worry about this machine hitting the ground running. It should be a very good tractor for the person who decides to purchase it. If you have any questions on this piece, this L45 here at Essex, or any other piece for that matter, don't hesitate to come by, give us a call. We had a place where you can run them. Glad to show you the piece of equipment if you're ready to see it.